Life is weird. Life is not logic. It's like we just woke up someday and here we are. Life can be painful, tragical, boring, and void of meaning. Life can be fabulous, amazing, awesome, and full of meaning. It's all up to you. You're the one who chooses what kind of path you take. It's gonna be hard, painful. You will face so many losses. You will never have a peace of mind until you reach your dreams, your goals, your designer. Don't think about the future. Think about now. What you're gonna do to make things right. What you're gonna do to achieve your goals, your dreams. If you don't have the answer now, it's okay. Just breathe. Now, once you have the answer, make a plan A and B and so on. I don't care. Failure is not an option. Get yourself together and breathe. Get the job done and good luck.